Dumela magaes. Students are going loco all over the country toing for free education that was promised in 1994.
Stones, rubber bullets and breasts were flying at the Wits University. More violence erupted between the students and the police at the University of Limpopo, causing the school to shut down.
Can you please tell us what happened?
I was holding my lord. Next thing I felt like black coffee was behind me. All I heard was pop. I looked back and it's the cops shooting at me.
Meanwhile, the Fees Must Fall saga radio personality Thibo Taj has started a Data Must Fall campaign. This was after he discovered that South Africans have to sell their kidneys in order to buy data.
These companies are from South Africa, but the data is more expensive at home than outside. How, sir? It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense.
In other news, it has been confirmed that if you don't have a DTT decoder, you won't be able to watch TV.
But that's not important because...
What the heck?
Evan, Musad, tamocheka TV yela kwa. Evan, ngoiba tika mo marago maybe the tabudi mo magan.
Maybe you should hit yourself because kinagana go mo magani ngondwe yago. What the hell is DTT anyway?
Ah! Stupid TV!
Hey, you two are not welcome here. One more step and I will show you what I'm made of.
We know exactly what you're made of. You are made of 2 cells and a pampas holding them together.
Hey, utardiamuna. Utarnamela.
And as far, Majitaka Sanali TV. How come?
That's because we are expensive, as you can see for yourself.
Motolo, ugochika sasa. What's in the school ka Nesfas? Papa utomile company because of BEE and transformation opportunities. Mupilo ba ukamaka mahala, marunyo kompucharu watura. Hai futa kamuman.
How about you will only be happy when we are dead?
But who the hell would want this joke to be their ancestor?
Stop lying to the people, my man.
Huh? You again. Where did you come from?
I heard they are giving away free decoders at post office. Go there.
And like, what the hell is DTT?
DTT is a technological evolution of land-based television and a betterment of analog TV.
Ah, Steve Compel, is that you?
Please say that again, but we language. It's simple. It's a new antenna that goes with a decoder which has better quality, better sound, and has more channels. Imagine having SABC 5. What's when go over the song? Give a post office.
Hey, rekula ba re gona le di free decoder. Are pakisha re takan cheche mo.
Eya ke nnete. You can get a free decoder if you earn less than 3.2 scodo per month. But unfortunately, there is dollar decoders at the moment. You can buy one. It's only 800 rands.
How about you? Why worry only? Because that's not only. That's all of it.
That's what the government gave us. There's nothing we can do.
How well
na ki rekile? Reka ya gao. Ska bora moreki tu.
Hey, motogole wa tsaba ka mo ke se beng le tšhelete ka gona. I suddenly find it hard to afford your attention.
Arlate minister.
Hello?
Hello? Mutambi?
Yes, who is this?
Hey, get the Don Kasebele. Can I know motogole mo?
Okay, Mr. Don Kasabele. How can I help you?
Hey, listen here. Remote post office ba re botsa re file back to the free DTT decoders mara le kapi.
Why us? Are we not poor enough?
I am so sorry, sir. Why did we gave away all the free ones to the people? If you want, you must just go buy it yourself.
You must be high on your own saliva. If you na decode ka motento wa ka kamoka.
Tora lo ka rena a re motsena malu.
No. You can't come here. Write me an email.
We are coming there right now.
I'm currently out of the country. If you want, you can call me in, let's say, 6 months.
Minister, we are calling your office.
Hello? Ish, you cutting? I can't hear you. Hello?
Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you.
How did you hear my question?